Now that it's autumn, I'm just going through my garden and looking to see which plants I need to prep for the winter, and this right here is a poppy. I'm going to pull the tag. It is an Oriental Poppy, Princess Victoria Louise is the variety. Poppy is blooming. It's very small though. I feel like it needs more petals. I have two of them. Here's one and there's the other. I had a third, but it didn't make it. It does look like something ate these other leaves, which is fine. There are these that are still green. The leaves are like fuzzy or spiky, but it doesn't hurt. And growing from the center was the flower. Here is a cute little poppy seed pod. And I could just leave this for decorative purposes or for self-seeding. There are seeds inside of there. Let's see if we can dump some out. Oh, I broke it. There are the seeds. So I'll just spread it around. Since I broke it, I'll take it inside and put in a little vase or something. And to cut it, I'm just going to take my pruners and go to the bottom of the stem where it meets the ground and cut, trying not to cut the leaves. And that's all it takes. And I'll just dump the seeds around here. And this is coming inside with me. So cool.